Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is talk about the Tangem Wallet. This right here is the best cold wallet for the price. So I want to get into a couple of reasons why, and ultimately, as we are heading into more bullish momentum in the market, you have to protect your crypto. So guys, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this content. And also keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So guys, taking a look at the market, we are Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. Bitcoin is sitting just above 91,500 USD. So why am I mentioning this? Because if you guys are holding on to Bitcoin or any other crypto, it could be NFTs on whatever chain, you have to protect your assets. So this is a Tangem Wallet. It's a hardware wallet, cold storage option. And what it allows you to do is not hold your crypto on an exchange where if somebody gets into your account, they can take your crypto. This adds another layer of protection. So what you can do is you guys can head over to the link tree. Here I've got links for you. You guys can take an online course. You can subscribe on my other channels. So get that Instagram, Twitter's going. But guys, scroll down to the Tangem Wallet. You right now can save 10% off any Tangem Wallet. There's the 2-card set and the 3-card set. You could also pick up a Tangem ring, which I like. So this is the ring. If you guys want one of these, a little more expensive. Specifically, I want to talk about the wallet. Due to the price and the fact that most of you already have a wallet. So if you have a wallet like I do, you can take the card. After you set it up, boom. You now have a portable wallet, cold storage option that works via NFC with your phone. So all you have to do is tap it to sign and approve transactions. If you guys want more info on how to set this up and how to use it, that's why I have this channel. So this is going to be episode 749, almost a 750. I was just taking a look. Let's hit it with a quick refresh. Yeah, we're at 748. If you guys go here and type Tangem Wallet or just type in Crypto Moose Tangem Wallet, here I've got different videos. So I've got an unboxing video to give you guys a 4K first look. We also have the Tangem Wallet setup, how to set it up in an instant. Same with the Tangem ring. And then I also have how to send crypto. This is a big one. So if you guys want to know how to send crypto to your wallet, we have that as well. Sending crypto to Tangem. So if you have Bitcoin from that's held on Binance or on, well, Simple, whatever it may be, you can send a transaction to this hardware wallet, okay? Now, keep in mind, what I want for you all is to get any hardware wallet, okay? So use something where you own your seed phrase and you have self-custody over your crypto, okay? So if you have a custodial wallet, if you really want to get down to it, you want to have a self-custody wallet, right? So I believe it's non-custodial because Bitcoin is starting to pump and a lot of you are not managing your crypto properly. Guys, I've seen this so many times. I have friends in the space that have lost crypto because they're holding crypto on a cell phone, on a crappy desktop, and they get hacked, whatever it may be. Please don't do this, please. If you have to you what seems like a lot of money, could be as low as $100. I mean, $50, you're probably not going to invest $50 into a wallet. But if you have over $50, you know, you have 500, you're in the thousands. Some of you have hundreds of thousands in crypto. I really want you to protect it, okay? So as the market goes up, do that. So hit up the link tree, pick up one of these wallets. And ultimately, if we do go to the website, I'll break it down swiftly here. It is simple to set up. They support a lot of different assets. So of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and a lot of other native Cardano assets, which I like and we talk about on the channel. It just works well. And plus it supports your iOS device, as well as you can get it on Google Play for the app. So it works with an app. I have tons of videos on this. And really, just please, guys, protect your crypto, man. A lot of you are holding a bunch of XRP. I mean, it supports so many different assets. And over the years, I've been using Trezors, Ledgers. I have the EliPal. I'm going to be reviewing other wallets. The Tangem Wallet, guys, I use the most. I just do. In fact, probably the Tangem Ring, because it's on my hand and it's with me. But wherever I go, when I have my wallet with me, I'm pumping gas, whatever it may be, I'm checking that wallet. I know it's secure. So please set it up. You can now set it up with a seed phrase. And if you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Okay? I've also done breakdowns of other videos to help you. One that I do like, if you go under videos, I believe it's as of recent, but I help guide you through which wallet is good for you. So best wallet under $100. The best hardware wallets, 2025 edition. In this episode, I did this 2 months ago. I guide you through which wallet is best based on your use case. And I've done it in several others. This wallet is good for all users. Okay. It may not be the best when it comes to yield farming. So if you're more advanced, maybe stick with the Trezor Ledger. But you can do a lot with Wallet Connect. So the moose fumble in the video now. But honestly, this wallet is fantastic. And, for $50, guys, just save your butt on this stuff. Okay. If Bitcoin does go to where I believe it's going to go, over 200,000 this cycle, probably by September, October, please protect yourself. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Thank you, everybody. Cheers.